Okay, so what we want to do in task C is the following. So what we want to do is that we want to display four different uh, uh, characters on the four digits of our display. So for example, we want to show 0, 1, 2, and 3 written on the four digits of the seven segment display. Now remember, like uh, we can send at a given time only one data, right? For example, we can send here the code of 0, right? And if I select like if I want to display this 0 on digit 1, so I will make this 0, right? And then if I want to so here I'm just writing 0 to indicate that I'm sending the code of 0, right? And I selected I set d1 equal to 0 so that the code of 0 appears on digit 1, right? Next, what I can do is like uh, I can uh, put some wait, and I can wait for some time, and then I can send here the code for 1, right? And when I set a code for 1 here, and I can set this to, I can disable this one, and I can enable D2. Now what will happen is that my 1 will appear on digit 2, right? And then I can put some weight. Again, I'm not writing here, just this slash just indicates a weight. And after that weight, I can write here the code of, for example, 2. I can send in the code of 2 and set all other select lines equal to 0, equal to 1, and this select line equal to 0, d3 equal to 0. So now 2 will appear on digit 2. And then I can again wait for some time and put here the code for 3, right? Give the input which corresponds to encoding of 3, right? And then I can make all other control signals equal to 1, which means disable them. Again, I'm assuming I'm having the active low device, and put here 0, which means I'm selecting the digit 4. So now 3 will appear on digit 4. So again, the weight I'm putting is like weight we are putting here is 2 millisecond, right? So that amount of weight or period is too small for a human being. So what will happen is like here we will have 0, then after we will have 0 only on digit 1 and nothing on digit 2, 3, and digit 4. Then after 2 millisecond we will have uh, nothing on digit 1, 0, digit 1. So here I'm just writing, let's say we will here have 0, right? And then after 2 millisecond, what will happen is that and we will have 0 on digit 1 and nothing on other three digits, digit 2, digit 3, and digit 4. Then after 2 millisecond, we will have or maybe I can simply write in numeric form. We will have 1 on digit 2 and nothing on digit 1, digit 3, and digit 4. And then after 2 millisecond, we will have again 2 on digit 3 and nothing on shown on digit 1, digit 2, and digit 4. And then again after 2 millisecond we will have digit number 3 on digit 4 and nothing on uh, digit 1, 2, and 3. However, the 2 millisecond is like a very small delay time for a human being, so to us it will look like that these numbers are appearing on the four digits at the same time. So visually it will look like that we will have 0, 1, 2, and 3 all appearing at the same time, while the reality is that they are not appearing at the same time. They are appearing with a time difference of 2 milliseconds, because in reality we can display we can here on in the input we can send only one code at a given time. We cannot send four different codes at the same time to four different digits, right? But because of that small delay, it looks like, because computer is working very fast, hardware working very fast as compared to our perception of timing. So if to us it will look like that all the four numbers are appearing at the same time on four digits of the seven segment display. So this is what you are supposed to do uh, in the task uh, in the task C. Okay, so if I go to Canvas, then what you need to do is that you need to download these two files, then simply put them in the lab task.c. So and then there are incompleted parts in lab task c in this .s file of task c, and you need to complete it. So for example, if I show you here, if I open this project or sketch here and go to the assembly file. So the first to do is like you need to define the code for 1, 2, and 3. Initially, you are given only the code for 7 segment code for 0. So now you need to define the 7 segment code for 1, 2, and 3, right? The second to do is that you need to define the code for selecting digit 2, 3, and 4. Here you are given the code for selecting the digit 0x digit 1 and all digits, right? But you also need to develop the codes which enable only digit 2, 3, and 4 at a given time, right? So task A is already like given to you, it is completed. Task B is also given to you in completed form. Now in task C, the next thing you need to do is that first you are basically, we are configuring port B and D as output, because we have connected our 7 segment display to port B and D, and then we are entering a loop, and then in the loop you need to do the to do 3, which is basically you need to display 3 on digit 1, right? And then call the wait. So here you already have this wait function, it is given to you, it will insert a wait of 2 millisecond, and then you need to do the next to do, which is display 2 on digit 2, and then again wait, and then display 1 on digit 3, again wait, and display 0 on digit 4 and wait, and then you are entering going back to the loop, jump loop, relative jump loop. Okay, so this is what you are supposed to do in the in the task C. So I have already completed this task. So let me stop sharing and burn the code on my hardware, and then I will show how it should appear on the hardware. So yeah, let me just compile and burn it on the, yeah. So if I show you now, so you can see here that, I mean, I know there are jumper cables and making it difficult for you to understand, and also the data is, flipped, because it's a camera, and I don't know how to change the reflection or how to flip the video. But you can see that we have 0, 1, 2, and 3 displaying on three different on the 4 different digits. And uh, it's with your naked eye it's not visible, but with the camera now I can see, like you see the LEDs are actually blinking, but they are blinking at a very fast speed, so to us it looks like they are switched on the all the time. So this is what you are supposed to do in the task C.